Well, here we are finally with a working CYNOVA adapter for the DJI Osmo Action. I have the Movo video mic up above, and yeah, it's working pretty well. Let me unplug it just so you can hear the difference between the onboard mics. So here is with the onboard microphone, and the microphone icon instantly disappears. And this is and I'm talking kind of quiet because it's pretty late out, and I'm shooting in HDR mode because it's dim and dark out. We're going to plug in the CYNOVA adapter again, and there, plug it in, and it instantly works. Now, this is my second adapter. The first one is right here, and I got one of the defective units where the this little USB this USB-C jack is too brief. It's too short, and was not making a solid connection. And there's been some folks out there who've taken their faulty adapters and peeled off some of this rubber and maybe filed some stuff down to get it to actually work. But this new one, I'm gonna take it off now so you can see. Let's compare. Now we're just with the onboard microphone. So can you tell? This one is the new one, and it is longer than this one. Let's see if we can find a way to see. If you put those together, there's a gap. This new one is definitely longer. So if you have one of these old ones, complain to DJI, and they'll send you to CYNOVA and have you email them. But keep emailing them again and again, because they are very, very slow to respond, and I had to go back and forth with DJI and CYNOVA, and had DJI put a little pressure on CYNOVA to actually respond, and they finally responded with sending me a good adapter. And let's plug it in again. So you plug it in there, and boom, now we're back on the Movo video mic. So I have no idea what this sounds like, but we're going to find out as we edit this video and share with y'all. This is Hamid. Stay creative. I'm out.